the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation forecasts that more than 50% of the population in the region will be infected with Omicron in the next 6 to 8 weeks.
That forecast for Europe coming from the WHO Tuesday, a region, by the way, that saw more than 7 million new COVID-19 cases in just the first week of this year, more than doubling over a 2-week period. France alone just confirming a record of more than 350,000 daily infections.
We
have never before seen such numbers since the start of the health crisis, the French health minister tells senators.
Because of the unprecedented scale of transmission, we are now seeing rising COVID-19 hospitalizations.
But the World Health Organization's top Europe official says current approved vaccines continue to provide protection and reduce severe disease, hospitalization, and death. In Poland, where just under 56% of the population is fully vaccinated, well below the rate for the EU as a whole, total COVID-related deaths topped 100,000 Tuesday. To the UK, the British Prime Minister facing a growing scandal. The latest chapter involving a bring-your-own-booze party that reportedly saw the PM and his partner attend in the garden of Downing Street. The bash allegedly violated the government's lockdown regulations. A startling spike in the U.S., the number of Americans hospitalized with COVID is at its highest level since the pandemic began, surpassing last winter's peak. Patients now topping 145,000. And Omicron now accounts for more than 98% of new cases in the U.S., according to the CDC. That agency now considering updating its mask guidance to recommend N95 or KN95 masks instead of cloth ones to better protect against the fast-spreading variant, the Washington Post reports. Finally, to China, 3 cities are now under lockdown, and that's affecting more than 20 million people. Mass testing is underway. Now, China reported just over 100 new local cases Tuesday. That's a tiny number compared to hotspots like Europe and the U.S. But the Chinese government is enforcing its strict zero COVID policy. This as the countdown to the Beijing Olympics winds down. The Winter Games are now less than a month away. Melissa Duggan, City News.